Question 11. Now this is a partial solution question. It's asking for a complete and accurate list of the people who could be in the gold room listed in the order in which they speak. We don't do partial solution questions early on. We wait till we understand the game, but they're vulnerable to the same strategies that solution questions are. Occasionally, though, they're going to require some sort of deduction or something that we learn through the game, so that's why we put them off till later. But here, we're just going to begin the way we would with a solution question, picking a rule, looking for violations, eliminating against the violations. So our answer choices are those, and we start out with the first rule, which says that M has to be in front of L. This is going to eliminate answer choice A because L is in front of M. And it's also going to eliminate answer choice B because that rule also said that M and L had to be in the same room, and here in answer choice B we have M without an L. Rule 2 says that Y and X can't be in front of Z, which is going to eliminate answer choice D because there's a Y in front of a Z. And then that leaves us with the third rule, the conditional rule, which is going to eliminate answer choice E because remember, these are lists of things in the gold room. And if Z is in the gold room, the contrapositive says that L has to be in the rose room, but there he is in the gold room with Z. That means the only answer choice left, answer choice C, has to be our answer. And we can go ahead and put that sketch into our notes because we might need to use it when we get to the next question. So go ahead and write a sketch that includes the new information and go on to the next question.